Alright guys, today we're going to be 3D printing our own weapons to fight Uncle Joe. Let's start. So we need 3 different weapons. We need a short range weapon, a medium range weapon, and a long range weapon. I found this one that I think is going to work for my short range weapon. So I think I'm gonna download this. I think something like this should work. Just average spearhead. So I think we're good now. And I think this is gonna be my projectile.
Okay guys, so today I think I wanna make this is the bar knife I'm kinda going for. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, this type. Yeah, this is pretty good, yeah. This is probably pretty busted. I think I really like this.
Alright guys, so now we are going to go outside to test our weapons. They're all printed, but Lively's sword and bow would not print because they were too big. So Lively has like this mini saber.
Yeah, right here.
That's like the only casualty I think we had. So yeah, I'll see you outside. So now we are going to be using our weapons on this beautiful faced Uncle Joe. There are little things on him, but that's fine. We're going to ignore those for right now. So we're going to do our close range weapons.
Yep, like mine. The butterfly knife.
So yeah, you have one swipe attack and one stab for this. Okay, are you ready? Go at him. Your slice, oof, right here on the cheek, sliced him open, and then, yeah, and that was her stab. So let's see if mine can do any more damage. Die, Uncle Joe. Round and round. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Right there.
Oof, that's bad.
So I think I won for that round. Let's go. So now we're going to go to the...
This might look like normal, like short range, but I slice them in.
Bruh.
Oh my.
Oh, my life is called.
I think it got hit right here and it like dented in. Now I'm gonna use my thing. It looks a little goofy.
Yes, it's
but
goofy.
Trust me, it will work.
Everyone's
I'm
spamming.
gonna go like, I'm gonna go for like a top hit and then I'm gonna go for a whack.
Everyone spam goofy in chat.
Ooh. I don't like to say this, but I feel like Lively's dents were bigger. So I think she won this round.
Let's go.
Alright, so now Lively's using her little bow thing. So it's like a little disc shooter thing.
Yeah, let's get him.
After reviewing the footage, the boomerang did do more damage. So I get the dub this time, finally, after all of our battles where she has won them. I finally won one.
Let's go,
I'll
boys.
get 3 times in a row next time. And now